you can see now they're provided with some food. This is out looking like, you see guys, oh my goodness, oh, you see he's presenting some water, and that's what he's doing. And to differentiate the Sasso, as you heard from Mr. Orenge, the color remains to be this way. There is no end black, no end whitish, just black as they're looking, you see. So this is how they are, and this is the kind of feedings which is providing for them, you see. So right now he has that feedings ready. He's going to give them these feedings. This is how he's placing its feedings. Yes, that's what he's doing. So he has placed them to different portions. This is one of the wings where some gather to enjoy the meal. You may be asking, oh, there are many and they're not able to get enough space to feed, but you could just see others are coming inside here. You see where he is. That is it. That is where others are now waiting. You see one has jumped upwards to be the first one to get these feedings. That's where they are. Yes, and we're gonna inquire about how old are they. Yes, to know, to ascertain. That is one of the rooms where he has kept some. Yes. So from this side, already they have begun enjoying their meal. So and the process continues. As you have seen, this is where they were. They have remained with some. Others are waiting to be served. Yes. So he's serving these ones. He's serving these ones here. So this is where he's serving them. He's serving these ones here. That is where he's serving others from. So that is where he's serving them from. So they continue taking positions for the meal. Yes. And he's coming to take some feedings again for others. Yes, to ensure that each of them gets its portion. So that is where they are getting, you see. So that is how they are enjoying the meal. What about water? Do you present water for them? Yes, you can see guys downwards there. There are jerrycans for water where they are enjoying the water from. As well as the feedings from these feeding troughs. These are the Sasso, pure Sasso breed. Yes, these are the pure Sasso breed. I think, guys, let me go from the other side. Let me go from the other side. Get out.
And this might be the easiest method of rearing these Sasso chicks. You can see the jerrycans carrying water here. He's trying to supply some water.
So guys, you can see out here enjoying this side. And that is how is placing some water for them. Very empty. Yes. So you see how many?
They are 300.
In number. Okay, 300 number. And how old are they?
2 months old.
2 months, 2 weeks.
Okay. 2 months, 2 weeks. Guys, I'm trying to find some slaughter this one because I say I'm ready for slaughter. And when was the last time you vaccinated them? Simame hapa kidogo hivi. Are you the one who provided these chickens to this farmer?
Yeah, I'm the one who placed the order.
Yes.
And deliver the jigs to Mr. Richard.
Yes.
As you can see now, they are 2 months, 2 weeks.
Yes.
And they are ready for market.
It's ready for market.
It's ready cash.
I can accept with you and agree to, you know, in some farmers, you find this old, they would have told you to like 4 months. I'm surprised to know that these are 2 months, 2 weeks, which is very visible from the factors which you said, because of the feedings of Suguna, they grow very fast for faster maturity. You can see the results, and when you get the breed which is good, that is the right breed, the Sasso. Yes, you see. And another thing, I can see the color, as you said. Yes, you guys, this is in one color. You see, just one color. Yes, there is something when you explain. Resistant to diseases, the maturity, and there is something I can't recall it. Production. Wow. So hawa wakimaliza tuseme miezi mitatu, when they will be 3 months old, watakuwa wakubwa sana.
3 months old, they are almost approaching the cocks.
Yes.
The price of the cocks will zoom to 1,000 and plus.
Yes. What about right now as they are here? How much can each cost here?
But now, even now,
Yes.
because the price is within our locality here,
Yes.
the price is like that cock there, they want to use one.
Oh, this one,
Yeah,
guys.
you can sell it at 1,000.
This cock.
At the moment, you can sell it at 1,000.
Yes.
No, by 3 months, when they finish 3 months, is about 1,500.
1,500.
Which is something somebody will venture into.
That is great. And from this farmer, what about his plan? Is he planning to sell or is planning to rear them?
Now he's planning to sell them and then place in a higher order.
Yes.
Yeah, he placed 300, maybe next time he might place 500 above.
Yes.
Yeah.
So is this the first time we did this, or he has been doing it from before?
No, this is the first time.
This is the first time, and it has done very well.
Very wonderful.
He must be very happy.
Yes,
He must be very happy. Yes, and will this be the last? Time is trying this, or will continue with this project from time to time?
This is a continuous process.
Yes.
You will order them after ordering.
Yes.
Then after reaching maturity, he
sells
sells them, then reorder.
Now I see where you say that a profit of 28,000 comes in a span of just a shorter period.
Just a month.
And you say that was for one month. But for now it will increase. That is 50 what? 56. 56 in 2 months. That is incredible. That is incredible. So and what motivated this farmer to place this order? Was it from the knowledge which you gave, or what exactly happened?
It's just what we told him earlier about a Sasso breed, the maturity rates, production. even disease resistance.
Disease resistant.
That's why he decided to place a huge order of 300 chicks. And as you can see, he has already succeeded.
Wow, wow. So guys, let me inquire from him if he can be able to differentiate at this stage the number of cocks inside this farm. Is it possible to know the number of cocks he has right now?
So maybe have you, when we deliver,
Yes.
when a customer orders, some say they want more cocks. When you say you want more cocks, we place 75-25%, but it used to be one and one cock. One ratio one. So
okay.
if they are 300, it's 150, 150.
Oh, 1:1.
Yeah.
That is great. That is great. And how are you able to differentiate that is a cock and at which hold? When it's like some 1 week, or when can you differentiate this?
Even when farmers are experts, they can tell you this egg is for a cock.
Yes.
This is for a hen.
So is there a criteria which you use, or it's through the experience which you have acquired?
Yeah, as by me, I can tell this eggs is for a cock.
Yes.
Yeah. There's some is sharp.
Okay.
Sharp
Okay.
at the tip there.
Yes. Oh, that is
And
great. That is great.
this one is like awful.
So that is wow, guys. You have seen what we were explaining to you from the reality, the practical point of it. You have seen the Sasso. They have no any other color apart from what you have seen. That is how the pure Sasso chickens looks like. You see, Uzima chickens, they deliver what you want, and they know exactly what you want. They guide you, they give you the guidelines. You have seen this farmer for the chickens which you have seen here. This was the first time we tried, and he has not had challenges which he can tell us, oh, this was difficult. No. They guided him from step 1 to where he has reached, and you have seen the outcome. Oh, I like it. So, and you have heard going forward, he has now preferred to do this now and then, more and more. You see, because of what? Because of what he has acquired. Already now, he is an expert. He has the knowledge which is required, and he has the guidelines to do it in the right way. And I was so much surprised because when you tell me that these are 2 months old and 1 week, they look like already they have finished 5 months. Do you know why? Because of the kind of feedings he is presenting to this. You called it what? Zuguna feeds. That is amazing. I think we encourage you to do this more and more and more.
You can also become one. You can be successful like Argentina Richard. This is not a miracle. It happens. You can also be like him.
This is not a miracle.
That's very
It
great,
happens.
brother.
You can also be like him.